Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download PUBG Lite if you don't live in Thailand, and how to play PUBG Lite on PC without any lag whatsoever. So if you're new here, then be sure to hit that subscribe button because I make tutorials like this every single week. And with that being said, let me show you how to do it. So to make this work, you basically need two programs, Open VPN and Garena basically. All you have to do to download OpenVPN is come to this webpage right here. I will be leaving a link in the description down below. And all you have to do now is scroll down and go to Windows Installer and then press OpenVPN install. Just press this button, and after downloading the OpenVPN installer right here, double click it, press yes, and then go next, then I agree, and then next, and then install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to be installing it twice. After this, head to garena.sg. I will be leaving a link in the description down below again. All you have to do now is create an account or something. You can register right here. Press register a new account if you want to register. I already have an account, so I'm going to be logging into my account basically. After that, go to platforms, then Garena PC. And when this page appears, all you have to do is basically press download now. After that, open the downloaded file. And after installing Garena, all you have to do is basically log into your account basically, which I'm going to do just now. After opening Garena, if you don't see PUBG Lite, and then all you have to do is go to the gear button right here, go to general, and then go to region. Then in the drop down menu select Thailand basically, because PUBG Lite is a Thailand exclusive. And now all you have to do is press save, and as you could see, the game menu is updated right now and we have PUBG Lite. Okay, so now before you launch PUBG Lite, you have to activate a VPN. You can come to vpngate.net. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. And then I'm going to be searching for a Thailand VPN basically. If I scroll down right here, I will find a Thailand VPN. All I have to do now is go to Open VPN config file, press that, and then download the Open VPN configuration file of the Thailand VPN. I'm going to be pressing that. And as you could see, it started downloading. All I have to do now is drag my download to my desktop, and I'm gonna be renaming this. After that, go to your OpenVPN that I just downloaded, right click it, and then run as administrator. And then the OpenVPN program is opened. As you could see, OpenVPN is launched. All I have to do now is go to OpenVPN, which is this little icon right here. Right click it and import file. I'm gonna be looking at my desktop for Thailand 2. Then I'm gonna be pressing open. And as you can see, file imported successfully. And now all I have to do to connect to my VPN is right click it, look for Thailand 2, then pressing connect. And as you can see, I am connected with a Thailand VPN right now. And now one final step before you're able to play PUBG Lite is go to the control panel, and then go to clock, language and region. Go to date and time and change the time zone, and now press change time zone, and now basically change it to UTC+7, which is basically Bangkok. After that, press OK, apply the settings, and then press OK, and now you're pretty much set. All you have to do now is basically launch Garena, and now press PUBG Lite. As you can see, it's gonna start loading, and right here you should find a download. Don't worry, it's only 2 GB. And now all you have to do is download the game and start playing. So I'm gonna be testing it right now with you guys. So I'm gonna be pressing play right now. As you can see, it's connecting basically, and boom, I'm connected to a Thailand exclusive game, and I don't even live in Thailand, which is amazing. So I'm gonna be pressing accept for the terms of service, and then privacy, I'm gonna be pressing accept. Then I'm gonna be pressing next. As you can see, all I have to do now is create my account. I'm gonna be naming myself the gaming Foxy basically, and then I'm gonna be pressing on confirm. It's basically connecting me to the game right now. As you could see, it's working. So boom, I am connected to the game. I'm gonna be selecting male. I'm gonna be creating my character now. It's like a little gameplay right now. So I'm gonna be pressing on, I'm gonna be choosing this haircut. And we're pretty much set now. I'm gonna be pressing create. And boom, season 1, just like that. I'm gonna be customizing my character, obviously. I'm gonna be dressing my character up. We need boots. Boom. And bam! As you can see, an exclusive Thailand game working, and I don't even live in Thailand. And as you can see, I just jumped into a game actually just to prove that this works. and as you can see, this is working. I have it on ultra settings basically, and this is why PUBG Lite is actually great. You can play it on ultra settings. Any computer can run this game easily, so this is really good. As you can see, I just jumped into a freaking game basically, and this is working. Obviously this is a Thai game, so all the people over here will be from Thailand basically, so don't be surprised if your teammates start speaking Thai language. I just died. I don't really know how to play this game properly, but there you go, this game actually works, and I don't even live in Thailand. Anyways guys, this is how to play PUBG for free, and how to play it without any lag. So if this video helped you in any way possible, then be sure to leave a like rating, share this video with your friends if you want to play PUBG Lite with your friends, hit the subscribe button because I upload tutorials like this every single week. Also, I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.